Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to show you guys how I get my salon make like a blowout, but at home in the comfort of my home. So first off, I'm going to section off my hair, make it all pretty and make it all nice. And then I realized my alarm go on. It's 10 o'clock. I must take pill number 2. Yes, pill number 2. So let me grab my medicine. Pop it in my mouth. I really need this. This is the one that keeps me alive, keep me going. And I'm going to drink my water. I love this water. This water helps with your pH level. It's really good. Yes, girl, drink it. Look, she is thirsty. The thirst is real. Yes. Oh, good thing I exited that out. You guys would have heard me burping all the way from, I don't know, far away land. But here we go. I'm gonna go in. So after I just brushed out my hair, just fast brushed out my hair, to I section it a little to have a little section down here, and I pinned it up. And I just brush to hair. I use this round brush. I believe it's the iron band. Yeah, it's the iron band. So I got this from Sally's. Sally. It is Sally. Right, Sally, right. Okay, never mind. So I have this FHI Heat Technology Nano Weight ProTech 1850. Hi, baby. It's a FHI Heat blow dryer.
Hi. I am her daughter, her best daughter.
Oh, yeah.
I'm her only daughter.
Oh, I love summer break. She's with me every time. But mommy does have to make a video for everybody to share.
And this is our first summer, our first video doing it on summer.
Yay! Give me kisses, my baby. She's getting so big. If we had our way, we'd stay in pajamas all day. But mommy had to look a little decent, yeah.
So she had to wear a jacket.
So what is mom's favorite color to wear?
Black.
Black. See, I am so grateful I had the opportunity to just stay home with my daughter for this past 2 years and a half since I've been diagnosed with myasthenia gravis. And another thing, I was never able to blow dry my hair by myself before when I was first diagnosed. And to get this far, I'm very grateful, and I'm very happy to be able to share you guys my little daily routine of how I blow dry my hair. Because usually my husband and my mom usually helps me. But today I'm going to show you guys that, because I just been gaining a lot of strength back. And I am so happy to just get back into that style and just go ahead and try, you know. Ain't nothing wrong with trying. Okay, so with this, I am going to go here and I'm going to place my blow dryer. Oh, I did get this blow dryer from Target about a year to 2 years ago, and it's still going. It's still good. Target, you know, cheapy. So here we go. Okay guys, so I'm no professional, but here we go. So I put some hair, the part that I section off, onto the brush. Now I'm gonna blow dry, put direct heat onto the brush as my hair, and pull outwards, as well as turning the brush. Now I'm going to do it the other way. I'm going to wrap the hair around the brush and then pull outwards and turn the brush outwards as I blow dry the brush and the hair together, just like that. You don't want to break off too much hairs because it's going to be harder for you to brush, but this should be enough for me. So I'll go a couple times this way, and I'll try to face the blow dryer down. That way it hits the brush and don't burn me. you the difference. This side is the showered hair the night before I waked up. It does look kind of like a little bit like lighter gray or a little purple color because I did just last night went ahead and I purple shampooed my hair. And purple shampoo meaning try to keep that blonde in as long as I can before it outgrows. And see my roots, she coming. I gotta do that. But this is the blowout side look, and this is the wake up, just brush your hair kind of look. My arms slowly kind of away, but she's going to continue this. Not gonna give up. Okay, so I'm gonna section off my hair again and clip it away. You can clip this side too if you want to. Just clip it like that. Grab your brush, your iron salad brush. You're gonna make it. Grab your target, put it on the side. I know I do have a big ass forehead, but it runs in my family. Like seriously, like my grandma had it, my mom has it, I have it, I think my daughter has it. Yeah, it's kind of like in our genes. And but that's why we got hair, we got cover. I am so blessed with a lot of hair, because if I didn't have so much hair, all my hair wouldn't be able to go ahead and cover my big forehead. I hope you guys like this fast blowout, just using a brush and a blow dryer, where you can get it from your local Sally store or Target. And this chi I actually got from Ulta Beauty in Utah, but I'm pretty sure you can grab this on Amazon, online. I don't know, I haven't tried, but yeah, you can definitely try a look on Amazon or online for chi. Hope you guys like this fast blowout.